Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making Captain America's helmet from Captain America the First Avenger. Let's get into it. So what I'm going to be using to make this helmet is some EVA foam. Now this stuff is really thin. I accidentally bought the super thin stuff, but hopefully it'll work. And then I'll just trace the templates on there and then hot glue it together. So yeah. Okay, so here I'm just tracing the paper templates onto the EVA foam. And it's a pretty straightforward process. Just keep them there and then just put them on with a marker. So yeah. Okay, so here I'm just cutting out the shapes for the helmet out of the EVA foam. It's a pretty straightforward process as well. Okay, so here I'm just hot gluing the EVA foam pieces together to make the helmet. Now what I do is I tape it first, and then I just hot glue on the inside of the seam. Okay guys, so I just finished making the helmet. Now let's go paint it. Okay guys, so I just finished painting the helmet, and this is what it looks like. I still need to add the A, and I did some of the weathering here. What I did was I just got a paintbrush and sprayed some silver spray paint into the top, and then I just brushed it. And these little spots, I just put it on the stove. I put the helmet on the stove, and it got those lines in there. So that's how I did that. And yeah, let's go finish it. Okay, so here I'm just cutting out the templates for the leather details that go under the ears, or behind the ears, and under the nose piece, so yeah. Okay, so now we're going to cut out the leather pieces that go on the inside of the helmet. So this is the main piece right here. And then I'm just going to cut it out of some brown fabric since I don't have any leather. You're also going to be needing one of these really small buckles because that's what it has. I tried to paint it silver. That's why it looks like that, but it didn't work so well. And then these are the pieces that I'm cutting out. This one is going to go through the buckle, like right there. And then I have all these little pieces for the ear bit. So let's cut them all out. Okay, so now we're going to start sewing the leather details that go under the helmet. And the first one that I'm going to start with is I'm going to be adding the details onto the earpiece. So let's do that. Okay, so I just finished the side detail pieces, and this is what they look like. Now let's sew on the piece to connect this buckle, the strap, and the chin piece. Okay guys, so I just finished the helmet, painting it and everything. I've added the quote-unquote leather pieces, which is just some brown fabric, and I've added the clip and the chin strap. This is what it looks like, and the sides, the back. Yeah, I'm honestly really happy with it. Now the way that I heat formed it, since I never told you guys, is since I don't have a heat gun, I just put it on top of a hot stove. I'm not right on top of it, but like I held it over it, and then I just molded it over a grapefruit, ironically, since I didn't have anything else round. And yeah, so that's how I got it to be heat formed. Then I just used some matte ink blue spray paint from Krylon Fusion. Really nice paint, by the way. This is the outcome. Looks really nice. The fabric that I used, it's a poly cotton that I got from Walmart. It's just a dark brown. And then I just hot glued in that. I put some EVA foam under the chin guard here, and then just covered it in fabric. And I've got a mini parachute buckle here for that buckle. And yeah, let me show you guys what it looks like on me here. Okay, so this is what it ends up looking like on me. I'm honestly really, really happy with it. Like, it turned out so nice. And yeah, come back next week to see the video on how to make Captain America's shield. And if you like this video or found it informative in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you like my content and would like to see more. Bye, guys.